Okay, let's see. Any luck opening these 10 packs? No, don't look like it. Okay, I've got some at the back though. Oh, Score Bunny. Nice. Anything here? Another one. Nice. Okay, Wellspring Ogre. And the card is a Shiny Mantite. Nice. Next pack. Nothing. Snubble, Eldergloss, Minun, Ladybar, Eldergloss. Nope. Okay, another card here. Scorbunny, Smeargle, Bagon, Snubble, and Oricorio. Nice. Throw, no. Hey, oh, Pesnort, nice. Toxel, Scatterbug, Aegislash. Okay, pack 10. Alola Marowak, Meowth, Marchup, Litleo, and Gardevoir. So some decent cards pulled there. Okay.